Express Raja Telugu movie summary. The film begins with the introduction of Inumu, a peculiar thief who only steals items made out of iron. Then Raja, Shrinu and Giri are shown kidnapping a pet dog and escaping. The film then moves to a flashback where Raja and Shrinu are both jobless people and constant sources of irritation for their respective fathers. Raja's father is a teacher and social activist. He, along with his friend, collect money for an NGO for treating children. Raja and Shrinu are rounded off by the local area inspector for being vagabonds, as he feels that vagabonds are a nuisance to the society. He orders them to leave for Hyderabad to do the jobs that he arranged for them. However, as they reach Hyderabad, Raja sees Amulya and falls for her immediately. He then presents himself as a salesman for the Oxford Dictionary to woo her. He finally wins her love when he saves her from being molested by some goons. Amulya loves pet dogs, while Raja hates them. As fate would have it, Amulya, who was about to propose her love for Raja, sees Raja hand over her pet dog to the local municipal corporation. An enraged Amulya breaks up with Raja. Raja, to win back her love, goes looking for the dog and finds it in a pet shop, whose owner insists on paying money in exchange. Raja and Sinu, short of money, sell a record number of dictionaries to impress Bill Gates and take the required money from him. On reaching the pet shop, their bag is exchanged during bedlam at a pet shop with Giri's bag. After a belated realization, they search for Giri and find out that Giri has burned the bag, thinking that the bag had contained the love letters that his sister received. Giri apologizes and promises to do whatever Raja and Sinu ask him to. All of them then go to the pet shop only to realize that the dog had already been purchased. They then begin searching for the dog, and after few attempts in vain, they find the dog in Benami British's home. The film is taken back to the kidnapping scene where they flee the place after kidnapping the dog. Raja delivers the dog to Amulya only to find out that she will marry Kesva Reddy, the son of an MLA in Nellore, Kokila. A crestfallen Raja is detained by the British to reveal the location of the dog. However, Raja and Sinu escape from the clutches of the British to Nellore. However, he is caught by Kesva Reddy's gang as soon as he reaches there. Kesva Reddy thinks Raja is the reason behind his mother losing her memory during a car crash that occurred in the movie created by the dog kidnapping. Raja is let off by Kesva Reddy as he was admonished by his mother to not to commit any crime until his marriage. Raja, with the help of Shrinu, reaches the place where Amulya is staying and elopes with her. Keshava Reddy learns this and chases Raja. Raja encounters the dance troupe on the way only to find that he was using the troupe's vehicle to escape from the British. They then reach a local fair where they were to perform in a dance program only to be caught by Kesva Reddy on stage. However, the stage where the troupe was dancing collapses due to a mischief by Inumu, and Amulya is taken hostage by the British and Giri, while Kesva Reddy is looking to avenge his mother's memory loss and his abandoned marriage. Raja and Shrinu manage to find the pet dog and hand it over to the British in exchange for Amulya. However, all of them are detained by Kesva Reddy only to be rescued by Raja when he knocks out Kesva Reddy using Oxford Dictionary.